We're going for the breakfast. Where is the breakfast, guys? Ah, there is the breakfast. And that's it? That's your breakfast?
I'm getting more. See, that's it. I'm getting more.
You want me to get
You
want? Can I
Yeah,
put some
you want
fruit?
it?
Dan, can I put some fruit for you?
No.
Yes or no?
What fruit?
What's your question, Nana?
Now Vacuity is what? Hold on a couple days. Where was the
Cremated one. The cremated one.
Where is the cremated?
Cremated means you burn the body, you get the ashes.
Namaste. We don't really do.
Going up in the mountains. San Jose, bye bye, San Jose. We're going to the volcano.
Who's gonna run with this all the way up? Go run with this all the way where you can.
I can do it too.
Go, you can. Hold it straight, Danny. Straight. And run. Run, just run. Everybody. Go and get ahead of everybody.
Huh?
Straight. Okay, give it to me. Give it to me now. Oh, Jeep, Danny. See, nice Jeep.
Where?
US Army, military police, Costa Rica. Hello. Right till the crater.
At the volcano.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Is it just erupted?
Let's go that side, Andy. Es que todavía no se deja ver al 100. Si le quita eso, se va a ver completo como tiene que ser.
Hoy para subir más, papá.
No se deja, está subiendo.
Sí,
¿Cómo que evacúan? Sí, sí.
Y una vez,
Aprovechado, y hay tanta
todos los
gente.
primeros.
No one flight also. That means there are some gases.
Oh, fellas. Hi, Saru. Where are we?
At a crater.
Can you see anything?
Daddy, what if
Except for the sulfur gases.
Daddy, what if the people just let us fly down here?
You can.
Right.
It will become a roasted Dan.
Toasted.
Toasted, roasted. We get more, right?
Yeah, it's coming our way now. It was going that way.
So white.
Sulfur.
No, I can't even see the sky.
Crater, crater. Clearing up a little, clearing up. A little bit. See now, little data is coming from that. See?
Look at that smoke coming out.
That right there, the smoke is coming, erupting from there.
Can you see that? Crater.
It looks like a truck. Now I can see.
Now again it'll get all
Now that's
constant gases, right?
I wish it would just stop for a second.
You wish. Tell it to stop.
getting red.
See, because of that thing, Dada, again it got a little cloudy. Clearest you can see.
Danny, see that?
Danny, see. Daniel, see there.
I see it.
So clear now.
Wow, it's like a grey cloud and a white cloud, right?
Yes.
Wow. And then they're merging back there.
What if our banks and things are all thrown around there? They will still be playing.
Cool, right?
That's the best. See, Danny, all the smoke is coming from there, right there.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
Not coming this way, right, Danny? That's right. This is what we wanted to see.
Oh, really?
See.
Daddy, now let's go.
Come on. Come on. Come.
Everybody is talking. Hey, this is the view spot. You can see the cow farm down and then the houses in the distance. Okay. And doggy with green ears.
Oh my goodness.
See the cows down.
Fresh dull volcano. It's okay. We're going here only. Yeah. Where's my wallet?
Think we can?
I mean, everybody's stopping, so.
Let's go. Everybody pull up your windows. There's a car waiting there.
हाँ वो तो कब से हमको follow ही कर रहा है. This thing is following us because I'm driving this way. Shut up. I'm telling you. Come.
My ears hurt.
You'll be fine, Sarah. You enjoy things and you'll be fine.
Yawning.
Keep on, yeah.
Be careful, there's a truck.
You have the keys, right, Sarah? Andu?
You going to lock it?
Nah.
Oh my god, what
Okay,
is
lock it.
happening here?
Come down, Sarah. Come. Hold my hand. Danny, this is the main road.
I know I can see that.
And go behind with Mama.
I'm behind you, Daddy. Oh, Daddy boy. Hey, texting. I
Isn't that beautiful, Andy? Look at that. Chai with butter. Isn't that beautiful, sir? You can walk. Sarah already decided to go there. Right, Sarah? Ah! The same people who took our photo. Right there. At the volcano.
When does the waterfall stop? When the rain stops?
I did. I already did. Danny boy.
Oh my God, Daddy!
Come on.
Look at the truck!
Come on. Be careful, boy. Daniel, wait there. Let me go in front, Andy. Come on, Sarah. It's not that difficult now. Just go. Crawl over it. Right? What's the difficult part over it?
I can jump.
Come on. Come on, guys. This waterfall is for free for Mama. A free. You will not plan this.
Daddy, no! It's raining.
Be careful, Danny. It's a very dangerous spot. Look at that, Danny. They're behind the waterfall.
Daddy, do a cannonball in. Do a cannonball in.
Really? You want to die?
Oh my God!
It's okay, Danny. It's okay. Just stand there. It's just one drop. Andy! One more.
Daddy! Are you going to do this?
You can stand here, Danny. Stand here. Don't worry, I'm here. Look here. Okay, now stand here. Wait, Daniel, please. Stop. Be very careful, Daniel. He's saying he wants to do a cannonball over.
No, you did.
Where is Sarah?
She didn't want to come.
Why?
I don't know. Come.
Like, why do you encourage?
I don't like the choice of words. It's annoying. Okay, come on, let's take it.
Oh, there's one more. Let's go down, Annie. Let's stand up. Look at the man then. Going upside down.
How is he doing that? In Costa Rica.
No, but right now it's a forced break, Danny. There's an accident on our way to the volcano hotel, and we have to force because the other route is taking 4.5 hours. Well, this route is only 1.5 hours. This route is taking probably 2 hours, but the other route will take 4.5 hours. So we are just waiting out that, hoping that the traffic clears up, and we are at a coffee plantation, some coffee machine, which Danny thought that this was a playground. And nice little doggy. Over here, the bikers gang are going too. Bye, bikers. Mr. Cafito Coffee Tour. Coffee is always a good idea, they say. That's the place we are having our dinner. Nice place for a forced dinner. My boy, he's coming. Want to run with this down, Danny? Danny, you want to run with this down?
Down?
Yeah. No, from here. Hold it straight, Danny. Show the fish to the camera. Look at those fish down there. Did you see?
I can't.
Come on, figure out.
Can you see or no? Come on.
Andy, see, look at the filter coffee, Andy. So cool, man. That's the Costa Rica filter. Filter. Cool, right?
What's on the pizza?
Yeah.
That's the taco over here, beef taco. What is that, Saruk? Cheese stick?
Tara, Alex, you need your fork to eat that. Good job, man. You need your fork.
Look at the fish.
Noella fighting.
Look at the size of the empanada. Look at it. So big.
You take the Insta.
This is Daddy, and he's with his coffee.
I'm swimming in coffee.
Yeah, Daddy's swimming in coffee, and he
Dark beans I got roasted.
got his tiny version, and you put the
That's for
coffee.
maybe 2-3 cups. Come take a picture. Come down.
And this is Mom,
Okay. You're still doing
and
it.
this is me. This is me, and I'm going around here. Hi! This is I'm still taking photos. And this is the end of the path. Well, there's more, but I don't think I'm allowed to go.
Costa Rica, Costa Rica. One more new thing. The lines are the longest. It's a 2-hour wait. Danny, you were showing me something.
Huh?
Come on, show me. Light.
Oh, yeah. It was so
And Danny boy is on the road. Want me to walk up with me?
Daddy touched the wall.
You want to walk up? Oh boy. I don't know how far it's going.
Did the itch get it?
Huh?
Did the itch get it? The grass?
I don't think so. It's very far. Want to walk with me?
Yeah.
Come.
It's so warm. This thing's so warm.
It is, right? After tiring 4-hour delay, the kids are playing at a park. Still have a 2-hour drive back to the hotel. Right now, Shadow? Where's Danny gone?
No. Well, we have these like building sticks, and you can build it, but it won't be this big.
Tiring, 4 hours. Kids get to flex the muscle a little. Danny came with me for 2 walks. Sarah was sitting on the iPad for all this time.
No, I wasn't.
Of course you were.
He got touch. First place, second place. The kid count.
Not bad. Nice modern church it seems. The last video of the day will be from the hotel in the bedroom.